Breaking news coming in now. Times Now has accessed the FIR copy registered by the Delhi police against unidentified persons. The FIR claims that the police had asked for the fire brigade to be sent. While the man was hanging, Aam Aadmi Party workers were clapping and further instigating him. This is the latest detail that has emerged from the copy of the FIR that we've been able to access.
Delhi police and the Delhi government in confrontation again over the FIR copy that has been very clearly blaming it on the Aam Aadmi Party workers, saying that they were inciting and instigating that farmer from Rajasthan, Gajendra Singh, to stay on the tree and decide to commit suicide. The Aam Aadmi Party, of course, very vociferously not only denying and refuting this FIR copy, but they also say that it is because Delhi police has orders from the government, from the centre, and that is why they are being forced to mention all this. The FIR copy, according to the Aam Aadmi Party, is clearly one-sided view that blames Aam Aadmi Party volunteers, while it was only the volunteer, they say, went up the tree and then decided to get him down. But most importantly, who blocked the emergency vehicle? Who blocked perhaps any possible way to reach out to that tree? Was it the Delhi police? Was it the Aam Aadmi Party? But based on this FIR copy, more confrontation only escalating here in the national capital. With Vijay C.P. Sinha, Pooja Shali, Times Now.
As far as investigation of this case is concerned, that will be conducted by crime branch, and apart from the crime branch which will be going into the criminal case, Joint CP NDR is also going to look into the various facets of this matter, and if in case there are any administrative lapses, so that will also be taken care of.
क्या पुलिस वालों की आपने की जिम्मेदारी तय की है?
देखिए, मैं जब तक इंक्वायरी कंप्लीट नहीं होती, इन्वेस्टिगेशन कंप्लीट नहीं होती, तो मैं कभी भी कंक्लूजन्स पे नहीं पहुंचना चाहूँगा।
सर, हमें दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट से दिल्ली पुलिस के बहुत लोग भी वहाँ मौजूद थे, एक आदमी फांसी लगा रहा है, तो सर ये मॉरल इन्वेस्टिगेशन नहीं होती सर कि बचाने की या कुछ होता है सर?
देखिए, ऐसा कि मैं इस बारे में इसलिए ज़्यादा तफसील में नहीं कहना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि ये मामला हम इंक्वायरी के अंदर में देखा जाएगा बाय द कंसर्न जॉइंट सीपी। और जहाँ तक सवाल है, देयर आर सर्टन स्टैंडिंग ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम्स इन सच contingencies and which are applicable not only within the country but also abroad.
सर, आपके नेताओं को भी बुलाएंगे पूछताछ के लिए?
अब देखिए, ऐसा इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग ऑफिसर जो डिसाइड करेंगे, वो जब मुझे उसकी कोई जानकारी मिलेगी मैं आपको जरूर बताऊंगा।
Well, that was B.S. Basi reacting to the entire ongoing situation with the Aam Aadmi Party and the Delhi police being in a deadlock against each other. Bhavtosh Singh is with us on the phone with more details on this. Bhavtosh, other than the political fight, it's an all-out war once again between Aam Aadmi Party and the Delhi police as well. Now, two things. The FIR, what does it tell us? One, that the police is looking into some sort of abetment angle because they have talked about the fact that the crowd and the Aam Aadmi Party workers present there were in fact instigating and encouraging Gajendra Singh. The other thing that they've alleged is that Aam Aadmi Party's workers actually stopped the rescue vehicle from coming forth.
Yes, in fact, the Delhi Police's FIR that was filed last evening clearly blames AAP leaders and party workers. Now, Delhi Police does not share a very good relations with AAP from beginning. This clearly shows the deteriorating relationship between the two. But in the FIR that has been filed by the Delhi Police said that when Gajendra Singh climbed atop the tree, instead of calming him down and bringing him down, most of the AAP leaders and party workers were clapping and in fact instigating him to commit suicide. Now, it goes into detail how Gajendra Singh committed suicide, and they said that when he was trying to hang himself, no one in the crowd even allowed the police personnel to go close to him. The police said several messages were made to the police control room because of the heavy crowd or the large crowd that had gathered at Jantar Mantar. The way was in fact blocked, and when the police told them that not to bring him down because it should be done by a trained hand, some of the AAP workers went the tree and virtually threw his body down. Now, the police said that the fire brigade could not reach there on time because of the crowd. They further said that the police further said that emergency vehicle